Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for the record, you're probably gonna hear kids screaming, crying in the background because that is mom life. But without further ado, let's get into this video. And like always, like, subscribe, and share. Alright guys, so I received this Influenster box. It is a collaboration between st.tropez, and Ashley Graham. If you don't know who Ashley Graham, she is a model, a plus size model, and a fierce lady. So super excited for this collaboration. I'm pretty sure this is a tanning product. I'm feeling a little bit attacked. They sent me tanning products. I feel attacked, but with that being said, this is the pamphlet. So it says, I am so excited to share my new limited edition collaboration with iconic st.tropez tan. Because glowing skin is always in, our st.tropez, I'm going to keep changing the name until I figure out how it's pronounced, comes with a new Luxe Whipped Cream Mousse. Ooh. Plus an exclusive mitt for seamless application. This formula has the yummiest subtle fragrance inspired by some of my favorite scents and gives an instant natural glow. I hope you love it as much as I do. Alright, so I'm hoping that this just gives you like a natural glow and it doesn't like make me orange when I try it. Because I will try it and I'll put it at the end of the video. I'm still feeling attacked. I know it's winter and I get pasty, okay? I didn't get that Latino gene of tan, of natural tan all year round. I get tan in the summer, or when I get enough sun. Vitamin D, baby, vitamin D. Alright, so this is what the bottle looks like. Ooh, pretty. Alright, so we're going to open this up. I'm going to use a Capri Sun straw that was sitting here on the table. Mom life. The best life you'll ever have. Just made that up. Alright. I'm trying to like take this off nicely, but it didn't happen. Alright. Oh my god, I gotta take off both sides? Alright. I'm MacGyvering this thing. Oh, this, almost. Alright. This is what it looks like. And this is what it looks like. That is it. That's the bottom. Alright, self-tan Luxe Whipped Cream Mousse. This is if you're gonna apply it, you can pause and read that. You can pause and read that. My kids are up to no good, and that is mom life. It's the best life. That's what I'm gonna keep saying. All right. Ooh, ooh, ooh. How make you say that? But this smells good, guys. All right, let's see. This is the. That smells amazing. Look at that. That is fancy schmancy. That is a fancy glove. Which way do you apply? This way or this way? I think you apply this way, right? Where it's thicker. Look at that. That is so cute. Alright, okay guys. I'm gonna test that on my hand for you. Maybe my arm. I got a little cut there. I cut myself. Life happened again. Remember, mom life is the best life. Alright, I'm pretty sure we have to shake this before, right? I said, exfoliate and moisture dry area. Shake well before use. Glide on the, wait, I can't read. Glide on using the included applicator mitt to ensure there are no missed patches. Like, but it doesn't tell you which side to use, but obviously common sense, you know? I don't have. Rinse form a little Rinse from as little as an hour, but the longer you leave on, the deeper the glow. Your long-lasting self-tan will continue to develop over 4 to 8 hours. Alright, and we're about to make one of my arms roll tan. We're gonna test this out, guys. Right, let me not. Do I put it on the applicator? I guess. Alright. That was way too much. I'm about to make my arm brown. It smells good. It's like fruity, sweet, and perfumey. That was the best description I've ever given a product before. What are the ingredients? Just caramel. That's the sweet part. Rosa canina fruit. That's the other sweet part. There's melanin in here, guys. Melanin. And a bunch of other stuff. It's kind of like, but it kind of smells like when you leave fruit out for too long. Kind of rotted, but not fully rotted. Okay, let's just put it on my skin. I didn't exfoliate or any of that stuff. I didn't follow any of the rules. But we're just doing this to test it out. Alright guys, alright. My elbow, actually no. Actually, come do this video. See, this is what my skin looks like in the summer. But I wasn't gifted this color all year round. But my mom was. Thanks for not giving me most of your jeans. Got my dad's pasty self. Got his pasty jeans. Alright, so before and after. Oh guys, I should have taken a picture before and after. Okay, I just do this. Do that. Alright, so it says, hold on, I'm having a hard time remembering where I saw what to do. But I don't need I have to leave it on my arm for about an hour, and then I guess I'll come back. So it'll be an hour when I come back, but for you guys it'll be a few seconds. Alright guys, alright. Now is the final result. So I didn't leave it on for an hour, but like it gave me a little bit of a tan, I have to say. I can't say that it didn't work, but it did. This is a comparison. I know you can't really see it, but like right here, like it did tan it a little bit. It looks, what I like about this, it does give you like a natural tan, which I was concerned about, because you know how like some tanning stuff, if you use tanning, if you're blessed and I have to tan, I'm jealous. But if you've used tanning stuff, it like literally makes your skin orange. Like I had those drops, which I'm probably going to if I didn't post a video on here, which I'm pretty sure I did, I'll post a video. It's like these drops you put in your moisturizer or your lotion, and you put it on your skin, and it made me real dark, but it made me like real orange. Okay, this gives you like a nice natural tan, like a nice natural glow to your skin. Okay, glow to your skin. And definitely there is a difference. Like even in my hand, you can see it's not a lot, it's subtle. I did not take it cosmetical. It's very subtle, but because I did not leave it for the whole hour, I was impatient. But it smells, guys, good. Like remember how in the beginning it was like, it smells like kind of like rotted fruit. When it goes on your skin, it's like perfume. It's like luxurious. And I know that this brand is very luxurious, it's very pricey tanning, but this is definitely, if you are looking for a tan that looks natural, that doesn't look fake, and looks like you just were out sitting in the sun and got sun kissed, this is definitely, I would recommend. And I cannot wait to put this all over. because as you can see, I'm a little pasty. I'm a little pale. I'm a little pale. It's winter. It's March. Quarantine still. Not really going out. It's too cold to be going out, and when I do go out, I'm bundled up so the sun doesn't even touch me. So that's that. And so this is really exciting. Thank you to Influenster for sending me this awesome product. I am so like loving it. My sister's gonna try to steal this from me, but I ain't gonna let her. Thank God I live 2 hours away from her, so she can't touch it. But definitely a must and highly recommend. If I can find the link to this, guys, I'll put it down in the description. If you guys want to sign up for Influencer so you can get free products like this, I'll also put that link down below. And if you haven't seen any of my videos on how to get influencer boxes, I'll link it up right here so you can watch that video. And guys, super, like, it smells good. Like, I criticized in the beginning, but it smells like really good body wash on your skin. Like, when you use it, you're gonna smell like you just bathed. And it's like such a difference. Like, now I see it. Like, you can really see the difference. And this is what I normally look like. This nice tannish color. I'm a little bit, sometimes I get a little bit darker. Not this pasty pink. Look, you can see my veins. Here you can see my veins. You can see my veins either way, but still way different. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Like always, like, subscribe, and share. Have a good day, afternoon, or evening, whichever time you're watching. And please, 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 guys, stay safe out there. Bye now.